Today we have explosive report about how Jagaban secretly tried to break up Nigeria. In case of say you dey doubt this story, now Jagaban mouth, now you dey hear this one. So he talk and say, I do not believe in one Nigeria. Now Jagaban talk this one. Now his face be this. Wetin be the implication of this story? Percy wey be the president of Nigeria, wey swear oath saying will defend Nigeria. Now they say allegedly say he won't break up Nigeria. How this story take start? Make I play you the cassette. It all started after they formed APC. Jagaban, now he single-handedly bankroll the party, support Buhari. The initial plan, they say, when Buhari become the flag bearer of APC, he go pick Jagaban as a vice president. When Buhari can get the ticket finish, Buhari get open mind to pick Jagaban. But people like Oyegu, Olusola Saraki, Atiku, and other cause want to not try out. Because that time, Nigeria, they hot. So it go hard to beat PDP if we go with Muslim ticket. Jagaban no converse, but he come reluctantly bring a boy wey be commissioner of justice for Lagos State, Professor Yemi Oshibanjo, say, may you run as the vice president. My boy, they there. You can go. When Buhari come enter here and Jagaban, Oshibanjo come the run things. After some time, now they come see and say, Buhari man, he blessed the Wakako the criminal. This thing where you see so now guns and ammunition where they recover for Sunday Igbohu house. According to DSS, now it be this where they recover. Now some people believe say now Jagaban now they supply Igbohu all these things. Where Igbohu they talk say Yoruba nation on government what to do in the fight for Yoruba now lie not be the ordinary man on the street for Yoruba. They fight for, they fight according to the source to advance his own Jagaban interest. When Buhari make conscience say, Tinubu get link to this movement where Igbohu start for Yoruba land. Jagaban, according to the source, formed this group to teach Buhari lessons. Say, Buhari, I go tell you, say, I go make Nigeria ungovernable for you. Since you and your cabal, they don't already tell you now, say, Wana, Brawoni, Mala Buhari, Brawoni, like we say, it's not a thief. Not give him, he's too smart, not thief. I go teach you a lesson. Then Jagaban can't start his own movement with Igbohu and others. Buhari can't decide, say, he and the cabal can say, if this man say he won't teach us lesson, we go see teacher and say, now me be the president of Nigeria. They can't go buy Igbohu for a house. The plan are to buy Igbohu straight away for Igbohu house. You see Igbohu house. Now the scene for Igbohu house, after they come out with this, the blood full everywhere. Igbohu say, now juju inte fly. He fly like mommy water come out. Now so he talk calm, he say use charm, they escape there. When Igbohu come out, Nigerian government put on say anytime you return back to Nigeria, they must arrest her. Before Buhari come out, Igbohu no come back to Nigeria, he will go stay for exile, for abroad. As Jagaban come, Nigeria come say, Olubadan, meet Tinubu. They come tell and say, your boy, he work for you. May you leave the ban. And they can't leave the ban. Now, Igbohu don't they thank Yoruba leaders. He don't they talk and now say, he don't start to the campaign for Jagaban for third term. We know they talk about second term or third term. Say Jagaban change Nigerian constitution because they say next year Jagaban already win. So you will go for another third term. My mouth you hear and like, but who talk here? Now as all this one they happen. Now US group come to say all this one they happen. They can't condemn Igbo leaders. Say Yoruba rally round Igbo. Jagaban use Igbo to push you on. Why Igbo leaders? Where they say Igbo, they want me Igbo person to be president. Why they know they support Mazi Kanu? They can't criticize Yoruba leader. Now all this one they happen now. Now Percy will be president of Nigeria. So if we talk and say this story, it shows the extent where Jagaban go to achieve his means. So all this one they talk say, opposition party, Jagaban silent them. Say Jagaban, now person will be say, he no care about anything. For him, the end justify the means. Even if say me say, may they buy all Nigerians, as long as say him, he pikin, and the wife, Alayi Mama, that they enjoy, they no care. Now more can look the implication. Remember, now person will be president of Nigeria. Now they come up with allegations, say inform group. And since way, Sovereign make this allegation, you don't hear say Jagaban arrest him. You don't hear say they can't go court. If they say a lie in the talk, why they never carry and go court? Why they never arrest him? Because they know say he know where they bury all the dead body and he go reveal her. That's why they leave the guy, make the guy play low. Now we'll call you the implication of this serious allegation. Say person will be the president. We swear oath. Say he go protect all Nigerians. And he go defend the country. Now they talk say he won't break up Nigeria. Number one, he shows the use of political power, alleged secret funding of a group, a separatist group that has the agenda to break up Nigeria using violence. Now that kind of group, now our Baba president, for support. According to this allegation, use of strategy suggests political actors may exploit movement to achieve their own goal. So tomorrow, if you say, Oduduwa movement, may you guys, may you white, not say because it be Yoruba, you hear this one. Now the elite, the ones that advance their interest, they don't care about you where they suffer for street. No that one. Now, use of media, they use media to change public perception because now the Yorubas, and they care the press. So they use the press to shape public perception. Ethnic and religion tension. That time, when they start the movement, there was tension. Outside Potoga say the Igbo group, they destroyed a lot of their properties for Southwest. Up to today, they have not been compensated. Use of public trust raises doubt about political motive and credibility. Now we hear this one now. How you feel? Say, assuming you person say you believe in the movement where you will plan for your head and you can't realize now say enjoy the user till they advance him and Jagaban interest. Also, use of legal loophole. Alleged action could skid accountability and raises critical questions about what leadership is supposed to be. More come here the views of our fellow Nigerians about this serious allegation where they put so. That is what I'm talking about. I said, this is not new. Sowore is right here again. The Buhari administration never wanted Tinubu to succeed Buhari. Tinubu was supposed to be the initial vice presidential candidate in 2015 election, but the cabal used Muslim ticket to kick Tinubu out. The same cabal fought Tinubu to the very end until he became the flag bearer of APC. Now this one talking and say, K talking and say, we all knew this is why any talk of Yoruba nation in the future must be treated as a political scheme, not a genuine agitation. They are really coward. How you feel as a Nigerian? Say you hear, say the person will be your president. Now they talk, say he secretly formed group where won't use violence to break up Nigeria. They will get guns and other ammunition where they're not supposed to get according to Nigerian constitution. How you feel? You feel reassured? Some people say this show say, man, 2027, Jagaban ready to use any means necessary, even if it means they buy all Nigerians. As long as he and his family they enjoy, and their Alayi Mama they enjoy, they're not getting shaky. Make I hear what your view be for this very matter. May not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you watch me for Facebook, may you head to my YouTube channel, Frank AZ Network. May you go subscribe. May God bless you, and may God bless Nigeria.